post rot. It's a real thing. Now we had to tear down our old pergola because they built it in a very low spot in the yard. Now post rot occurs whenever the moisture in the soil rots your pressure treated lumber. The 4x4 posts originally were in the ground in a concrete foundation, but there was a 3-inch layer of soil above that concrete foundation, so we're going to rebuild this deck. But this time when we rebuild it, we're going to use these drainage rocks as a foundation layer to help the moisture stay away from our TuffBlocks, which we'll set our 4x4 post in and then wrap in 2x6s to rebuild this deck.